The Journey of Learning English, presented by ZZTRBT. Mastering the use of superlatives and comparatives. Do you ever struggle deciding when to use better or best in a sentence? In this guide, we will explore everything you need to know to master the use of superlatives and comparatives. Understanding the basics. What are superlatives and comparatives? Superlatives and comparatives are both forms of adjectives that are used to compare two or more things. Comparatives are used to compare two things, while superlatives are used to compare three or more things. For example, taller is a comparative form of tall, while tallest is a superlative. Forming comparatives and superlatives. Most comparatives are formed by adding to the end of an adjective. Superlatives are formed by adding est to the end of an adjective. However, there are many irregular forms that don't follow this rule, such as good, which becomes better in the comparative form and best in the superlative form. Choosing the right comparative or superlative can make your writing more engaging and effective. Use comparatives to show the difference between two things, and superlatives to show that something is the best or worst in a group. For example, the new phone is better than the old one, and the new phone is the best on the market. Comparatives and superlatives can also be used with adverbs to show the degree of difference. For example, he runs faster than me, and she sings the most beautifully of all. Irregular forms. Some adjectives have irregular comparative and superlative forms. For example, good becomes better in the comparative form and best in the superlative form. Other examples include bad, which becomes worse in the comparative form and worst in the superlative form, and far, which becomes farther in the comparative form and farthest in the superlative form. Spotting common errors. Using more before a comparative. She is more taller than me. She is taller than me. Using a superlative for only two items. He is the tallest of us both. He is taller than me. Comparing two unrelated things. This apple is bigger than my math test. This apple is bigger than that apple. Practice makes perfect. 1. Join clauses with comparatives. She is taller than me, but I'm faster than her. 2. Use superlatives with the. The sunniest spots on the beach are always taken first. 3. Compare things that are actually comparable. She is smarter than her brother. Wrap up. Superlatives and comparatives are a fundamental part of the English language. With practice, you'll be able to use them like a pro and make your writing stand out. Remember to choose the right form based on the number of things being compared, and avoid common errors like using more before a comparative. Have fun, and see you around. Method. Professor Matthias Now. Link in bio.